very good evening, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So just wanted to mention that what I said last week about the premium signals group was correct, and thankfully last Friday and this Monday and today Tuesday we are doing really well, and we are recovering a lot of the losses happened last week. So this is Extreme Premium Signals page, and these are the signals that Angela has sent today. So far only NZD CAD is not going well, and so far it's almost in like 6 or 7 pips loss. However, I believe the NZD CAD in general is gonna fall after this resistance and gonna continue falling down until it hit this previous support level. Let's check the rest of the signals. The signal for the Euro GPY is for the buy, and we can see right here the trade was opened 120.57. Let me see, 120. Okay, this one here, the trade was opened here. The trade was in profit just a few minutes ago. Actually, this candle just reversed now, so you can see that it is now almost in break even. I think it's gonna continue its bullish momentum and it's gonna continue rising up. Let's see the other signals. USD GPY for the buy, USD GPY for the buy also. Let me just check where is the line. 109.07, 109.07 right here, exactly. So USD GPY so far going in almost 8 pips of profit, and the last signal was AUD USD. Let's check the AUD USD. This is the level where it was supposed to be for the buy, and so far the AUD USD is going in 17 pips of profit. Let me just be sure. 0.6712, correct. So as you can see, so far we are doing very well, and not to mention, of course, yesterday we sent the notification to close the Euro Pound with 70 pips of profit. I just wanted to mention also that we sent here notification to every member in our group, reminding them that there will be today USD news for the ISM PMIs. This is usually high impact news which affects the market. We sent this notification at 3:37 p.m. Dubai time. Then 4 hours later, the news was really effective on the USD pair, and we can see that the trade went on loss. However, that is of course not our fault at all, because we informed everyone to close their trade before this time. Today also we sent them the notification for the NZD. We said that there will be the unemployment rate news coming on the NZD pairs at 9:45 p.m. GMT time today, so they should be careful to close any pair on the trade with the NZD trade opened on them. So so far going very well, and I just wanted to share with you these results of the premium signals group, which is doing really very well so far. And of course, if you want to join this premium signal group, please contact Angela. You can find her contact details in the description below this video. Contact her today, and hopefully we will see you guys in the premium signals group. Alright, so let's go now to the actual live trading, and maybe you have noticed that my voice is not okay, and yes, I'm not okay. Actually, I'm having somehow cold and flu. I'm not feeling so well, to be honest, but I just want to cheer myself up by making this video. I just felt so much boring on my bed, and I just cannot ignore these good setups we are seeing on the market. There are plenty of good setups that we cannot just ignore. So let me just try to find some good and decent setup. What I'm seeing right here for the pound GPY is actually really good. Actually, you know something? I'm going to buy immediately without even thinking. Now let me just tell you the reason. I just need to see this on the 30-minute time frame first. Okay, it's loading. All right. So of course it's very obvious that on the 30-minute time frame we can see that we are having here this support level, which has been broken out by this bullish breakout candle. So I believe that this support is gonna keep its position as a support right here. And I'm not saying that the pound GPY is going up in general. Actually, I think it might go down. However, I'm just after this bounce here. I believe this support here, the candle seems like they are gonna bounce on this support and go up all the way until hit this previous resistance right here. So we are looking for almost 13-14 pips of profit. That should be fine. 14.6 pips of profit. Now of course I have to mention also, just because we are using the 20 pips a day strategy doesn't mean necessarily that you will get 20 pips for each trade. No, that's not possible. This is what the setup is offering us. This is the only resistance right here, this one here. So I don't think the market is gonna reverse higher than this level. I'm expecting for the support here that the candle is gonna bounce, go a little bit more up, and this is here what we're having a resistance number 1. So most likely the candle is gonna go up here, create a resistance number 2, making another attempt to break out from this resistance. I believe it's gonna fail, and the pair is gonna continue falling more down. So let's see what will gonna happen. So far we are in loss. Don't rush to close your trade, of course, my friends. Don't ever rush. Just wait until you see what will gonna happen when the candle actually closes. If it's gonna close as a breakout candle, then that time you can close the trade with loss. Let's continue. And let's see what's happening with the other pairs. I'm just trying to find a decent setup where I can actually do some scalping session. So far I don't see anything valid, to be honest. Let me now pause this video, my friends, and I'll be back to you once I find another trade. Let's check the AUD and ZD. AUD and ZD looks really appealing for sell actually, because we can see that the pair is approaching a previous resistance. However, let me just see that on the previous, on the 30-minute time frame, we can see that we are having here the candle at, yes, definitely good, short, nice. Let me just take you through what just happened here. Let me explain to you the reason why did I sell the AUD and ZD. So what we are having here is a previous resistance on the past. However, we can see that we have here also a small tail on this candle. This is small tail actually representing a previous support level, and of course you are on the 4-hour chart, and every candle on the 4-hour chart representing a support and resistance levels. So what I'm seeing here, that this resistance is gonna keep its position as a resistance, and the candles most likely are gonna fall down. Just maybe one candle will fall down. I think the momentum is really strong. What I'm expecting for the candles to reverse until hitting this previous resistance right here, like that. This wick here is representing the previous resistance, so I'm expecting for the candles to actually fall down, hitting this previous resistance, and then gonna continue its bullish momentum all the way until it hit this previous resistance here. Now, not to mention that on the 30-minute time frame, let's look at the left and see what we can see here, what we can find. So what we can find here is this previous support here, and I place my trade exactly right on this level where the market almost touched this previous tail here and this support here. They both representing a support level, of course, and we can expect for the candles to reverse right on this level. That is exactly what's happening right now. We can see that the pair is actually now reversing. I believe it's gonna continue falling more down. Now let me tell you something, that on the 30-minute time frame is how we decide our entries and also exits. So on the 30-minute time frame, I can see that I have here a support level. Therefore, this is gonna be my take profit level. I will set my take profit right on this support level. So by that I can get 8 pips from this trade, which is not bad actually. So let's see the other trade. The pound JPY still struggling, but I believe eventually is gonna continue its bullish momentum and gonna go up here all the way for 15 pips before we can be in profit. That's actually very good. Let's continue and try to find some other trades. Forgive me, this video is not gonna be long, guys, I promise, because I honestly cannot make it long. I cannot keep talking for a long time. Anyway, let's see here. We're having here a good setup approaching for the Euro AUD, and I have to wait for the candle to touch this previous support, because we are having here a support number 1, and I'm waiting for the candle to touch support number 2. Look at the pound JPY is actually going in profit so far. Very good. We can see that we are now $15 of profit total, 19. Fantastic. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, good. Let me try to find how much is that actually? $53. Nice. All right. Let me just try to find some other setup, my friends, and I'll be back to you shortly once I find another setup. Check out the euro pound. I'm going to place sell immediately. All right. Allow me to explain the reason. Why did I place the sell right here? Um, Now what we can see on the 4-hour time frame for the euro pound is this key resistance level. This is very important key resistance level, and I believe the pair is gonna keep its position right on this resistance, and we can see it has already touched the very same level of the resistance. Now of course that is on the 4-hour time frame. We cannot decide much on that. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame, and we can see clearly that we are having here a resistance level, and right here we are having another resistance level next to each other, which is really perfect. I mean, this sell point here is great, excellent. I'm so happy with it, and of course I'm gonna set my take profit level to be on the nearest support, which is right here. Sadly it's not much. I think it's just 10 pips maybe, 8.6 pips. Hopefully we are gonna get them all. Of course it's ideal because we are buying the pound, we can sell euro pound. Anyway, let me now see what will gonna happen with these trades. So far the pound GPY is going in profit so far, and for the AUD and ZD also going in profit. As I told you, it's reversing right from this resistance level so far in almost 4.9 pips profit. This one also is reversing so far. We are in good profit. We see how much so far, $10. Let's see how much. Actually I'm aiming to make this account above $450 by end of this video, so let's hope that we can make it today. Now let me now pause this video, my friends, and I'll be back to you shortly once all these trades are over. So we can see right now the pound GPY is approaching the take profit level, which is really good actually. 10 pips. I will take them because I just don't want to risk waiting for the candle to reach the take profit level. The other trades are actually going good so far, doing very well. The euro pound is falling down. I just have to wait more time. Almost 7 pips. Let's wait more time, my friends, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with all the other trades. Guys, please forgive me. This is gonna be a really short video, and I will close it very soon. I'm just really not feeling so well. To be honest, I'm sorry. I tried, but I cannot keep this trade running for a long time. Just 2.5 pips. I will just take it. $10. Let's take them all. So right now this account have reached $417 of profit so far. I believe the next video is gonna be better. Anyway, I just hope this video have given you some ideas about how to trade using the 20 pips a day strategy. And again, sorry for that. Next video will be better. I believe the next video we are going to talk about the price action. I believe it's major topic we need to cover. So therefore I believe next Thursday or Friday maximum I will make that video. So in the end, I just really hope this video was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.